Hey guys, it's Justine and Jenna. Today we are in my kitchen, but we are not baking anything.
Thank goodness.
We're unboxing a new LG gaming monitor, but that's not it.
But wait, there's more? Where do I put it?
A regular monitor for, oh my goodness, for my regular needs. Super excited to try this one out. Now let's put this back on the ground. So Jenna already unboxed that one, so let's unbox this one as a surprise. This is the gaming monitor. I've been doing a lot of things around this place. I'm redoing my office. I completely painted this entire place. Like, it's super exciting. And we need a new gaming monitor for the gaming office.
This is my left hand, and you're using your right hand.
I'm ambidextrous.
This knife is garbage.
What are you using? That's a cooking knife! We don't use those to unbox. You are a monster!
You haven't provided me with any alternative knife.
Any alternative knife?
Oh!
Wow! So these are all the things that...
Put it up here.
Oh,
that's
okay.
lovely.
That is lovely.
You raised me up.
Is that Josh Groban? I am a huge Josh Groban fan.
It's an inside joke. You guys weren't here for it. What's happening?
We need that. There's pieces in there. Stop.
What's happening?
I need to get this out.
Now I have Josh Groban stuff in my head.
Should we put this on the ground and take them out as we... Let's put this on the ground. And then we can lift it out. Maybe it'll raise my spirits.
That was... Raise your spirits.
Whoa!
Oh, it is curved!
I've been chatting with LG. I've worked with them in the past, and this is so exciting because they were like, we want to send you some stuff for your new office. And so this is actually a surprise because I didn't even know what they were going to send. So this is the 34-inch curved gaming monitor.
Beautiful.
This is
I'll help.
absolutely massive.
I'm not helping.
No, you're not at all.
I couldn't get my little
It's
hand.
okay. This is so nice.
Okay, you hold that.
Oh.
You hold that.
My goodness.
Wait, don't move.
This, the Lego Movie 2 game is gonna look so great on this. This looks so good. That's my dog.
My favorite thing about LG monitors is how loud the dog is. Wow, the red looks cool.
It does look cool. Matthew!
Hey,
Matthew!
you're getting full named.
You're getting full name because you're bad boy.
Stop it.
What is your favorite thing about?
My favorite thing about the LG monitors is how simple it is to put them together. You literally go like this, and you give it a little screw in, like it says on the poster behind us. You don't need anything.
Yes. Look, no tools.
And then, although me trying to do this by myself on the 34-inch UltraWide monitor, I was like, I can do this. Okay. I know.
Oh my goodness. This looks so freaking great. No way.
Maybe I want one of these now too.
Oh, accessories. So what else comes in the box?
Well, this is a power brick. We have the other power cord.
USB. This is for your cable management.
HDMI. What's this? What's this? What's this one? What's this one? What's this?
We've got two USB ports. We've got HDMI, two HDMIs, and then we have something else that says do not use.
No way.
Yeah, it says services only.
There we go. Take a nice look at that.
Let's plug in. Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
I need a moment. I'm gonna get my computer.
Wait,
With my dongle.
I
because
want one of these monitors. Where are you gonna put this?
I'm going to put it somewhere. Okay. This is...
It's going like this.
Oh my goodness. Let me throw some content over there. Whoa! Okay, we're gonna watch one of Jonathan's videos because his videos always look incredible. Super high quality.
Look at this crispy content.
It is super crispy. Now let's see what my uncrispy content looks like.
Wow, it's weird because you're on the screen and you're here. Oh my god.
I'm super excited about this. I will give you guys a little view of it when I have it set up at my desk. But right now we have to open up the other monitor.
You're so short. Oh god. Oh god. Oh!
Oh, I'm falling over. I'm dizzy. Me too. Look at this.
Turn this way. Look at this, easy, easy.
You gotta just get it in there.
I don't want to hurt you.
Wow.
Oh God.
Okay. So one of the things that I am excited about that Jenna brought up is that it does have Thunderbolt, so this will work really well with your MacBook or even your iMac Pro.
So this is just the power port. It's much smaller than, it doesn't have like the brick. Also has the joystick button.
Look! No way. Oh.
Looks
I'm
good.
loving this. This is gonna be so great. All right, there's one last thing. I don't know what this is, but LG sent this and it has my name on it, so I'm not sure. I have absolutely no idea what's inside of here. That's actually my logo. Like, they have my actual logo. Okay, look at this.
Ooh, wait, look at all this mess.
Look at my little name.
That's so shiny and beautiful.
This is cool. Whoa, look at this. They're little tiny figures. Is this me? This is me. It's got my little name on it. Ah! This is so cute.
Those are really cute. This is a very premium box.
This is extremely premium. All right, what is this?
Are those overalls?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's a birthday gift. Happy birthday, Justine. LG OLED TV team has prepared a small gift to celebrate your birthday. We made this jacket with your name written in Korean.
No way!
No way!
That's cool.
No. Oh my gosh, and my name is on the sleeve. My name is on the sleeve. Look at this. This is so cute.
This is really cute.
I absolutely love it.
Box.
Well, I'm looking forward to setting these up, and I will give you guys an update later. I'm so excited to show you my black office. Maybe I'll give you a little preview. There's nothing in it yet, but some things will be soon. We'll do that again. It's all set up. This is such a great monitor. Like, I'm super in love with it. What's great about this monitor is it's USB-C and it's Thunderbolt, so I can just plug this directly into my laptop, and here we are. We are ready to edit. So let's open up some Final Cut. This looks really great. I love having this much screen real estate. Like, I've got, look at this timeline. Look at this time. Would you look at this timeline? And then I can just like, oh, I'm lounging now. If anybody really saw like what, like this is, well, you're seeing it. This is what I'm usually like.
Listen, there's a new version of software for my earbuds that are ready to download.
I'm so excited to edit on this. I haven't got a chance to set up my gaming area yet. That's gonna be coming pretty soon. So I'll look forward to showing you guys where that new monitor is gonna go. There's a lot of stuff happening right now. Here's a sneak peek. Just give them a real quick, like, just give them a real quick look in there. Just like real. Okay, yeah, you're done. So excited about redoing my office. I can't wait to show you guys. That'll be coming very soon. I know I basically have this really terrible problem of once I get something absolutely perfect, just how I like it, I like to destroy it and completely start over, which is what I did with this place. So look for all those fun things coming soon. If you guys have any suggestions for things that you'd like to see me make videos about, leave those in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.